All right, welcome to today's Explainer. We're kicking off an exciting journey of discovery into the secret life of artificial intelligence. We hear the term AI all the time, right? But by the end of our time today, you're going to see the technology around you in a completely different light.
So, let's start with a massive question. Is all AI equally intelligent? I mean, when you're tapping away on your smartphone, is that the exact same superbrain you see in sci-fi movies? Well, spoiler alert, no way. While some AI only does one tiny specific task, other types of AI literally exist purely in our imaginations right now. To really understand this, we're going to explore the three major types of AI.
Okay, Part 1, Narrow AI, the present.
Let's dive right into this. The first type we're looking at is called narrow AI. Now, you might actually hear scientists call this weak AI, but honestly, don't let that name fool you. It is incredibly powerful. It's just that it's designed for one specific task. It's totally laser-focused. It doesn't have a mind of its own. It just does the exact thing it was programmed to do over and over again.
And here's the cool part. You literally use this stuff every day. Think about Siri or Alexa when you ask for the weather, or Google Translate when you're working on homework. Oh, and face recognition to unlock your phone? That's narrow AI too. It's even the exact same tech that helps us find those super fast routes on our digital maps when we're stuck in traffic. But remember, they only do their specific thing. Your map app? It definitely cannot translate French.
To put it simply, think of narrow AI like a super specialized doctor. If you break your arm, you're not going to go to the dentist, right? You'd go to a bone specialist. That doctor is highly trained in one specific area, but they aren't going to check your teeth. Narrow AI is exactly like that. It's brilliant at its one assigned job, but entirely clueless outside of it.
Moving on to Part 2, General AI, the near future.
Now, we're stepping beyond the tech in our pockets. General AI, which is also known as strong AI, represents a massive shift. We're talking about going from a machine doing just one specific task to a machine that can learn and perform literally any intellectual task a human can do. This is pretty much the holy grail of computer science.
This is such a fun segment to think about, because it completely compares machine learning to how we learn. The best analogy for general AI is just an average human being. Think about yourself. You can learn to play the piano, then step outside and learn to ride a bike, and later read a book to learn about history. We naturally learn completely new and different things. General AI would be just like us. Instead of just translating languages or just finding map routes, one single program could learn to do both, plus write a poem, plus play chess, all at the exact same time.
Okay, but let's bring it back down to earth for a second. It's absolutely crucial to know that, right now, general AI simply does not exist. You can't buy it, you can't download it. Scientists are still actively researching it in labs as we speak, so we're really watching history unfold right now. The brightest minds are trying to figure out how to make this leap, but we just aren't there yet.
Which brings us to Part 3, Super AI, the distant future.
Strap in, because this is the absolute peak of our journey into the unknown, super AI. Now notice the really important word here, hypothetical. This is a hypothetical AI that actually surpasses human intelligence in every single field. It doesn't just copy how smart we are, it completely leaves us in the dust.
Just imagine it outperforming the smartest humans in science, discovering things we couldn't even dream up. In medicine, it could potentially cure diseases instantly. It would even beat us in creativity, writing more beautiful music or painting better art than any human master. Flawless decision-making across the board. It's almost hard to wrap our heads around.
So, the crucial takeaway here is our final analogy. If narrow AI is a specialist doctor, and general AI is an average human, then super AI, it's a genius beyond human capability. It's an ultimate, limitless superbrain operating on a level entirely beyond anything humanly possible.
But again, a quick reminder for all you young learners out there. Just like general AI, super AI remains strictly theoretical right now. It lives only in the realm of possibilities, in textbooks, and in the wild imaginations of futurists. It's definitely not something running our world today.
Let's pull all this together and look at how this builds our complete picture. We've got narrow AI, which exists today like a specialist doctor. General AI, our future possibility, like a versatile human, and super AI, totally theoretical, acting as a boundless genius. And while you're looking at this, I actually want to challenge you. Try to list 3 totally new ways you might want to use AI to help you out in your own life. Just keep in mind, they would all definitely be narrow AI right now.
All right, let's wrap up with AI Today Quick Quiz.
Now that we've mapped out the entire past, present, and future, it's time for a fun little finale. Here is a quick quiz about the smartphone tech and computer systems you use every single day. Which type of AI actually exists today? Is it A, super AI, B, general AI, C, narrow AI, or D, none? Take just a second and lock in your guess.
And the answer is C, narrow AI. Fantastic job if you got that right. That is exactly the tech running all your favorite apps today. I want to share this really powerful quote directly from our source material that says, "Every AI system used today belongs to narrow AI. No true general AI has been created yet." This is such a great fact to remember because it totally busts those sci-fi myths. No matter how incredibly smart a computer seems today, it's really just hyper-focused on its one specific job.
So as we wrap up today's explainer, I want to leave you with a final provocative thought to chew on. If we only have narrow AI right now, and it's already completely changing how we live, commute, and communicate, what exactly is going to happen to our world when scientists finally create general AI? How will it change your future? Thank you so much for joining me on this amazing journey of discovery. Keep wondering, keep learning, and I'll see you next time.